Okay, we're all set up and ready to paint. All right, and we need to mix the paint correctly. Okay. Another video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your gun. This video is how to mix your paint. Okay, come over here. Okay. Now, what we got, okay. Of course, you got your mixing cup. You're gonna come over here to your data sheet. Okay. And this, your data sheet is going to tell you what the mixture is. And if you see right here, you got a 4-1-1, if you can see that. You got a 4-1-1 mixture. Okay. Now this is for urethane sealer. This happens to be for urethane sealer. And it's got a number 2 here. That's the second coat. The first coat is, we're spraying plastic, so we're going to have to spray some of that. But anyway, back to what we're talking about, mixing the paint. So this is the sealer, okay, which is right here. Okay, that's some other paints. All right, and this is the hardener, okay, right here. Okay, and the hardener is here, which we have number 2 because that's the second coat we put in. All right, and the other one right here is your reducer. Right here, and the reducer is into this can right here. Okay. Okay, so what I did to make it simple, to make it easy. Okay. What I did, I mixed up food coloring, as you can see. This is just water and food coloring, so you can see it in the cup. Okay. Now, it's a 4-1-1 ratio. So you got 4 parts of your sealer, 1 part hardener, and 1 part reducer. Okay. Now you look on your data sheet, because every sheet is going to tell you something different, depending on your application, on what you're doing. Like your base coat, the color coat, I should say. You probably won't have a hardener. You'll just have the reducer and the color coat. Okay, without a hardener. Same thing with the clear. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, see right here. This is the base coat, and you just have a 1-to-1. That's a 1-to-1 mixture. Okay, so back where we're at. So let's say you got a 4-to-1-to-1. Okay. You get your cup. Okay, you get your cup, and you look across the top of your cup, and you're going to see all the different mixtures. Okay. Now I put marks a lot right here on the 4-to-1-to-1. Okay, so that's because that's the one we're dealing with. Okay. 4-to-1-to-1. All right, you find that on your cup, the one that you're going to use. Okay, then you don't worry about all these other ones. Now this is a 4-to-1-to-2, 6-to-1-to-1. You know, it goes on and on. 8-to-1, 9-to-1, 8-to-1. So we're only concerned with this column right here. Okay, 4-to-1-to-1, and this column goes all the way down. All right, the next thing you do, okay, you come into you look on the right side, the column to the furthest to the right. Okay, that's going to be the last ingredients that you pour in. That's going to be the reducer. Okay, or the hardener, whichever one you go. Okay, now this last, if you follow what I'm saying, this last column is going to tell you how much paint you're going to need, you're going to use. Okay, So what you do is you go to your last column and you pick the how much you want to put in. And there's different numbers. Okay. So let's say you wanted it half a cup. That would be 5. Okay. Let's say you wanted 4. We wanted up to what 3 is. So you just pick your height. Now once you get your height, okay, in this particular example, we're going to pick 3. We want it to here. Okay, we could have taken 7. We could have got 8, but we want it to 3. Okay. Like I say, you stay within this 4:1:1 ratio. Okay, we come down to 3. Now, the first thing you put in, okay, is going to be 4:1:1. Is the first thing is going to be the sealer. Okay. So this is your sealer in this can. Okay. So what we did, I already measured it out and I poured it in this cup right here. Okay. So I would pour my sealer up to number 3. Okay. Which is the first column right here. Okay. Remember, we want to end up here. We want to end up this much. But the first one is going to be the 3 that's right there. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our sealer, and this is green water and color, and we're going to pour it in. Okay. Until we get, and we'll be staying in the thing, until we get to 3. Okay. Now I already measured this, so it should be right at 3. Okay. All right. So we're right at 3. All right. Now the next thing is the 1:4:1:1. Next is the 1. Okay. The 1 got the 4 in. Okay. The next one is the 1, and the 1 is the hard number. Now remember, we picked 3 as how much product we want. Okay, so we got to stay on 3. Actually, I need to put a little bit more in there. Okay. So what we do is we go to the next 3. Okay, on this 3, you want to go to the next 3. Okay, see the next 3 is right there? Okay, so we take the next thing. All right, we're going to bring it up. Now this is food coloring, like I said, and this represents the hardener. All right, so we pour it in. All right, now I got to the 3. That's what I should have been. Now, follow what I'm saying? I was a little bit low on the other one. All right, so you would go to here with the other one. Okay. So we go to the next 3. Okay, right till you get to the next 3. Stop. A little bit more. All right, now the next thing we're going to put in, the last one, which is, in this case, it's reducer. Okay, we'll go to number 1. I mean, 1 part, I should say. So remember, we're going to 3, and we had already picked out we want to go to this. This is how much we want. So all we're going to do is pour a reducer to this 3. Okay. So this is reducer. This is real reducer. This represents reducer. Okay. Bear with me, I'm doing all this with one hand. Okay, this represents reducer, and we're going to bring, it's good to be level. That's the problem, is I'm probably not level here. Okay, so we're still within the 1:4:1:1. Okay, and we're going to put a reducer to the 3. Okay, this red represents a reducer, and we're going to pour a reducer in. All right. Now we have the 3. Okay, now that's all we put. We don't put anything else. All right. Then we come over here, take a stick, and we stir it up real good. Okay, don't be afraid to stir it. Stir it and stir it and stir it. And keep stirring. Okay. Now, of course, this is just cold water, but okay. Now, once you got it stirred up real good, okay, then the next thing you want to do is take a filter. Okay, now you put the filter in the cup. See if I can show you. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, you take your cup for your gun, okay, and you put your filter in here, in your cup, and make sure it's mixed real good. Okay, you take your pink filter, put it in your cup. That's good to have a stand to hold the cup. This cup actually needs to be up a little bit. This is just laying on a plyboard. Okay, now you take your mixture that you've mixed up real good, and I'm not going to run my filter, and you pour it into here, directly into the gun. Okay, now that's how you mix paint. All right, now you're ready to spray. Okay, now what we're going to do is, these are guns that I'm going to show you how to set up a gun. That's in another video. How to set up your gun. He's got regulators. He's got extra. We've got extra water filters on them on each gun. Okay, I'll show you how to set your gun and the distance you need to spray from your item. That's all in another video. Okay, so let's recap what we did. Okay, what we did, we picked out. We took a cup. Okay. And let's go back to these sheets. I'll show you. Okay. This right here is the base coat, your urethane base coat. Okay. Ours is almost a gold color, but okay. But as you see, you got a 1-to-1 mixture. Now there's no hardener in a base coat. Okay, so this is the base coat. So our base coat is, let's see, what is that? That's clear. And the same thing with your clear. Oh, here's our base coat. Here's our base coat. Okay. Of course, put it number 3 correspond with it. That's the color. It's supposed to be like a brownish gold color, whatever. It's hard to tell. Anyway, so we're going to take this base coat. Okay. And we got a 1-to-1 mixture. So we're going to come over here. All right, we're going to find 1-to-1. Okay, now you can see 1-to-1. Here's our first column right here. 1-to-1. Now, how much do we want? We go to the same thing. We go to the right column. Do we want half? We want this much paint? Because that's what we're going to end up with. So we go to that right column. We pick out how much paint we need. Okay, let's say we want to go to, we don't need that much. We need a little bit less, 3. Okay. All right, so we take our first coat, which you could take either one of them. In this case, there's no hardener. But we're going to take our base coat, our gold color, which is right here. Okay, and we're going to pour that, okay, until we get to, and we said we want to go with, we're going to go with 3. Yeah, let's go with 3. Let's go this much. This is how much we want. So simply, we just put our first coat. Okay, sorry. Lower the camera. We put our first coat to 3 because we want to end up with the other 3. Right here, we want to end up with this much, 12 ounces. Okay. So we put the base coat in. When it gets to 3, we stop. Then we get the reducer. That's the thing, a reducer. We take the reducer and we go up to the next 3. Now, Our liquid is right here. So we put reducer till we get to here. Okay, now we're at 1:1, which is 50-50. Okay, now I hope that explains everything. So it's not really hard to mix paint. Okay, just follow those. You know, you can get these cups at your paint supply store. You can get these cups. Lowe's has got them. You can get these cups all over, and they're all the same. All the cups are the same. You can buy them from Lowe's, whatever. Okay, like I said, this is just food color. So I hope that shows, helps people mix and paint. It's not hard. Okay, it's that easy. All right, now stay tuned and watch some of my other videos. I'm going to show how to set up your spray gun, a little bit of painting, and a little bit of everything. So I hope that helps. How we mix paint.